Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Soy Marisol. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create this gorgeous cut crease look. It turned out amazing. I did not think it was gonna turn out this good, and it did, so I'm super happy about that. So yes, and I'm gonna show you guys what I used. So I used a James Charles palette. That's the only palette I used. I also used the Carli bybels palette. The only shade that I'm still using from this palette is this. I know it's disgusting. My kids got into it, I know, and it's like sold out, so I can't buy another one. And actually this color right here, this frosty white color, I think this was a highlighter. This color is the only color I love to use for my tear duct. Is the only nice frosty white that I have found. So if you guys know any other shadows that are like frosty white, please let me know. But yes, this is how I created the look, and if you guys are interested, please keep on watching.
So we're going to go in with the James Charles palette. I'm going to pick up this cream white color, put it all over my lid to set the concealer I put under there. We're going to take tape and then tape down the ends. Make sure you have it at a straight angle to your eyebrows. We're going to pick up this nice light kind of mauve purple. We're going to blend that all over our lid. Then we're going to go in with this really nice light purple. Gonna do that all over the lid as well to create a nice bronze ombre effect. Then we're going to pick up concealer and we're going to cut our crease. This is the most important part. This is the part where this can all go wrong, so please be very careful. And what I usually do is I usually put a little bit on my lid and then close my eyes to make sure that I will be able to cut the crease and then it won't actually ruin my makeup after I cut it. So yes, just make sure to do this very carefully. We're going to go in with the same peach color we did on the lids to the lids again. We're going to pick up that deep purple color and we're going to deepen our outer V, just make it a little bit more darker. Make sure to blend it very well to make it nice and dark. Then we're going to go in and pick up this black and also put it just in the outer V just to make it more deeper. Then we're going to just pick up a fluffy brush and just blend the two colors and make it nice and seamless. Then we're going to pick up that Fenty white eyeliner that I love. If you guys have not picked this up, you guys need this eyeliner. It does not crease, it does not flake, and you also have to be very, very careful when you do this part. Just take it really nice and slow. That's the reason I slowed this part down, so you guys can see that it's a long process and you have to be very careful because this can ruin your makeup. Then we're going to go ahead and pick up this NYX gold eyeliner and we're going to put that on top of the white. It looks so pretty. We're going to do that on both eyes. Like I said, just be very careful. We're going to pick up, this is a Wet n Wild liquid liner that we're going to pick up and just line our eyes as we usually do. And this is the finished look. Look at how cute.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. Here it is. I hope you guys liked it. So as you guys saw in the beginning, and I'm so sorry, my daughter dropped all the setting powder I was using on my palette, but the only palette I used for this look was the James Charles palette, and I used Fenty's eyeliner, and then I also used I think this is the NYX gold eyeliner. I did do the under eye out of the camera and lashes and everything else as well, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it turned out, it turned out amazing. I really love the way it turned out. So I hope you guys liked it. Please do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Let me know what else you guys want me to do. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday, Sunday weekend, and I hope you guys are staying safe, and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.